Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. This week, the patterns as well as the electric vehicle stocks are still showing the strong upside potential. We've got a market, I don't know what that is, that we're kind of trading indecisively on the Dow right here at this resistance level. This implies having both long and short positions now in the portfolio is a logical strategy. Now we're still above the T line and we still have the NASDAQ trading higher. So you want to be pretty much predominantly long, but have a few short positions in the portfolio. I don't know why this is doing this all by itself. So the biotechs are still working well. The electric vehicle sector is still working well. And the fry pan bottom slash classic pattern. Fry pan bottom followed by a J-hook pattern equals your classic pattern are working well. So the biotechs, still you want to find the ones that are doing patterns like bingo, BNGO. If it opens positive on Monday, you can be buying this next wave to the upside. The electric vehicles sector is still very strong. The advantage of using the candlestick charts, though, is to see when is it time to sell, when is it time to buy, and when is it time to sell again. The QS was upgraded by one of the major brokerage firms. However, a upgrade is less, I don't say, compelling than if they had announced something new in their technology. However, you've got kind of a fry pan bottom with a best friend, your doji gap up. That makes at least the 50-day moving average a viable target. And then this area up here, the gap area, your next viable target. So this might be a good trade to put on spreads like a 55-60 over the next few days if they're planning to take it up to the 50-day moving average. So the fry pan bottoms are still working nicely. Our recommendation on CAN is still working. Had a big day on Friday, but this is exactly what we would expect coming out of a fry pan bottom as a strong price move. So we're looking at that as an AYRO. Again, a strong sector of electric vehicles and a strong pattern of fry pan bottom. That just gives you that much more added probabilities of being in a strong trade. On the other side, you've got some short positions that are still being affected by the short squeeze fallout. That when they started pulling the plug, we're short Sava right now. Stochastics heading down, a dark cloud, and now trading below the T line. There's a gap down here that could be filled. So this is one of the candidates to have as a short position. And because of our, I would say, orientation toward the electric vehicle sector, our new service, the research analysis reverse engineering process, allows us to try to find the best strong trades, not only on a short-term basis, but on a long-term basis. There's so much technology going on that we're still making sure that we're monitoring the lithium battery manufacturers, lithium mining companies. There's a quantum glass, whoops, I got glass there, quantum glass battery companies. Quantum glass batteries supposedly have tremendous upside potential as far as the amount of storage and the amount of mileage range you can get in an electric vehicle using one of those quantum glass battery when that becomes perfected. Now, there's always rumors out there or speculation that it's coming very soon. There's no way of telling which company might come up with that, perfecting that process. Same thing with a graphene battery, same potential, huge electrical storage capabilities. We're still watching to see when somebody comes out with that technology that can be commercially applied to electric vehicles. And then your fuel cell companies. We don't know which area of that whole sector is going to have the best improvements. That's where the research analysis reverse engineering allows us to use candlestick charts to identify when something's happening that we should be going back to look to see what's going on in that particular company or sector. So with that, I also want to invite everybody to our mini session on Saturday we call power trades. That's using convergence analysis trade setups, or the 2+2. The more pieces of information you can put into your analysis on a candlestick chart, the higher the probability. Not only are you going to be in a positive trade, but a strong positive trade. So look for that this coming Saturday, February 20th. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.